Hello, I'm Alessia Nikolenko, owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you fast manicure with a nude rubber base. It is a real time saver. I always recommend to make a base layer before using any cover pink gels. Base layer is the most important layer. Product contacts with natural nail, and good result depends first of all on this first layer. It is optional to use clear or nude rubber as a base layer. I will use clear. I am starting with Ultra Bond primer and then I applying rubber base. I am rubbing it to the nail and fixate in the lamp for 10 seconds. And now we can do full cover nude manicure with rubber formulation. There is no chipping or lifting. It is absolutely fail-proof fast nude manicure. There are 3 shades we offer. They all have tiny beautiful sparkling glitter. This nude pink has a golden particles. Just apply it, cure and seal with the top coat. Fast and easy. Nude blush is the warmest color of rubber nude we have. Soft, warm peachy color with mixture of golden and silver particles. Nude beige is almost invisible. The most nude overlay with silver particles. It is my favorite. No matter which one you choose, it will always look elegant. Have a beautiful manicure. And please subscribe to our channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.